Ornamental grasses are a wonderful addition to any garden, providing unique textures, movement, and year-round interest. These versatile plants come in various shapes, sizes, and colors, adding a dynamic element to the landscape. Here are some reasons why ornamental grasses are great for your garden. 1. Texture and form. Ornamental grasses offer a wide range of textures, from fine and delicate blades to bold and arching foliage. Their distinct forms create a beautiful contrast when paired with other plants in the garden, enhancing the overall visual appeal. 2. Movement and sound. Unlike many other plants, ornamental grasses sway and rustle with the slightest breeze, adding movement and a gentle sound to the garden. This liveliness brings a sense of tranquility and life to outdoor spaces. 3. Low maintenance. Most ornamental grasses are low maintenance, requiring minimal watering and fertilization once established. They are also relatively resistant to pests and diseases, making them ideal for busy gardeners. 4. All-season interest. Ornamental grasses offer year-round interest. In the summer and fall, they produce graceful plumes or inflorescences that add softness and beauty to the landscape. In the winter, the dried foliage and seed heads create a striking display, especially when coated with frost or snow. 5. Erosion control. Many grasses have extensive root systems that help stabilize soil, making them useful for erosion control on slopes and embankments. 6. Wildlife habitat. Ornamental grasses provide food, shelter, and nesting sites for various wildlife, such as birds and insects, contributing to the overall ecological balance of your garden. 7. From modern and contemporary to traditional and naturalistic, they can serve as focal points, borders, or mass plantings, depending on the design concept. 8. Drought tolerance. Several ornamental grasses are drought-tolerant once established, making them an excellent choice for water-wise landscaping. Popular ornamental grasses to consider for your garden include feather-reed grass, Calamagrostis x acutiflora, tall, upright grass with feathery flower spikes, maiden grass, Miscanthus sinensis, graceful, arching grass with attractive plumes, fountain grass, Pennisetum spibe, compact, clumping grass with fluffy, bottlebrush-like flowers, switchgrass, Panicum virgatum, native grass with upright growth and stunning fall color, Japanese forest grass, Hakonechloa macra, low-growing grass with cascading, variegated foliage. When incorporating ornamental grasses into your garden, consider their mature size, sunlight requirements, and water needs. Group them with complementary plants to create eye-catching combinations that add texture, movement, and beauty to your outdoor space.